Hi, I will show you how easy it is to install green watering system. Before starting, clean area around plant or tree and wet soil a bit. Also dig soil about an inch around plant or tree where green watering system will be placed. In order to install green watering system, you need these metal stakes and you will need these plastic rivets to hold green watering system in round shape. Start by holding green watering system strip around plant or tree. Hold both ends together and coincide 4 holes on both ends. Then push 4 rivets through holes and lock both ends together. You see how now shape is in the round. Also move strip around to hid ends away from view. Use these stakes to hold green watering system in soil. And you can use some kind of tool to push stakes in soil and hold green watering system in place. Cover bottom of green watering system with soil. Also you can add some soil inside the green watering system to stop any water leakage. And then finally cover soil with some mulch around green watering system. That's all. Green watering system is so easy to install. Thank you for watching.